So now we need 2 more points, and those 2 points, I could tell by the general shape that this is taking that those 2 points can be the x-intercepts. This parabola is going to cross the x-axis at 2 points. So that's actually one of the questions that were asked. So there's a couple of ways that we can do this. We can either set our set this function equal to 0, so we can say 0 equal to 2/3 times x plus 3 squared minus 4, and we can solve this using the square root method. All right, or you can just use the 0 function on your calculator, on your TI 86 or 84. When you do that, when you use either one of these methods, and of course you round if you're using the square root method or your calculator, what you will get is 2 coordinate points, and the first one, after I round, I'll have -5.4 comma 0, of course, and then the other one will be negative 0.6 comma 0. So I get these values from either the setting my function, this function equal to 0, or and using the square root method, or the 0 function on the calculator. Now I will go to the graph and graph these 2 points. Let's see, -5.4 is roughly around here. And then -0.6 is somewhere around here. Okay, so now I got 5 points, and I can go ahead and graph this. I'll do this side here first, something like this. Alright, let me try this side. Something like this. Alright, so there's our graph, and finally, well, actually let me go ahead and label these points. So this is -5.4 comma 0 right there, and then I have -0.6 comma 0 right here. Okay, finally I'm asked about, does the function have a max or minimum? And in this case, since the parabola is opening up, I have a minimum point, and that value is just the y coordinate. In other words, what's the output at the minimum point? And so the y coordinate at the, in this case, is the vertex. That value is going to be -4. Okay? So here's our graph, and then we have all of our answers, the questions here. And there you go.